Let's make a seared broccoli salad with dried cranberries, toasted almonds, parsley, and a black pepper lemon vinaigrette. Let's go. Okay, we got some olive oil into the pan. Add your broccoli. Then we're gonna add in just a little bit of kosher salt and a good amount of fresh cracked black pepper. While you're doing that, toast off your almonds. Cook for 2 minutes, done. Lemon pepper vinaigrette, very simple. Fresh lemon juice into a blender. I'm gonna add in a lot of fresh cracked black pepper into the mix. A little bit of brown sugar. Actually don't need all of this. I just wanna cut a little bit that acidity from the lemons. Fresh garlic, yum, yum. That's gonna give us nice flavor and body. And then some Dijon, again, for flavor and body. So Dijon into the mix. I could do this in whisking it in a bowl, but I like doing it in a blender. It's really simple. It makes it a lot easier. Good pinch of salt. I'm gonna add in some olive oil, and I'm gonna add in some grapeseed oil. I like using 2 different types of oils because the extra virgin olive oil that I use, if I just use that, it might be a little bit bitter, okay? It might be a little bit too intense of a flavor. Using the grapeseed oil or a neutral flavored oil will help bring down that rich flavor of the olive oil and make it more neutral, more palatable. Will allow the ingredients of my salad to stand out more. Lemon, pepper, vinaigrette. Let's give this a taste. I want it really acidic. I want it very peppery. Flavor of the garlic, nice seasoning with the salt, nice consistency on that too. Wow. To put this salad together, I'm just gonna roughly chop some parsley. Tip for you at home is you can just slide your cutting board towards you. Take your bowl, I can take a rag and just brush that right in there. Really, really clean and simple. I love adding the parsley to the broccoli as well. Very herbaceous, lots of color. Just a little bit of salt because our dressing, our vinaigrette is seasoned well. Just gonna pour a little of that in the bowl and give this a quick toss. Make sure everything gets coated. It smells amazing, looks amazing. I have my broccoli, the parsley, black pepper, lemon, vinaigrette, toasted almonds. Just gave them a little bit of a rough chop. This is gonna add some nice protein. It's gonna add a really nice nutty flavor. And that they've been toasted, we have more flavor coming out. So don't be shy. And last garnish is just some dried cranberries. These are gonna add a nice sweetness, a nice sourness, color, and a little bit of a chewy note. And here you guys have it.